Thanks for wanting to learn more about Impact, where you can configure conveyors and automation devices in Microsoft Excel and seamlessly integrate models directly in context within SOLIDWORKS. If you haven't watched our How Impact Works video yet, please do before continuing. Here's the URL, but you can find a link to the video below. We are assuming that you understand how this software generally works in the following demo. We're going to show you how easy the software makes it to configure a lift and locate. If we want to configure a lift and locate unit in our GlideLine Impact software, from the summary screen, we simply select Add a New Device. We get our drop-down list of available devices and conveyors. We can scroll down until we find our standard lift and locate unit. We can see it highlighted here in green, so we know that we're choosing the right one. Select OK. And we see the standard configuration screen, which we will be asked to name the device. For this demo, we will call it Test LLU for Lift and Locate Unit. Now, for this demo, we're going to show you a 240mm pallet width with 240mm pallet length. Standard stroke for this particular demo, we're going to say 75mm, meaning it's at 75mm above the belt. We will leave it as standard ground pins, and then we can also configure whether we want this conveyor mounted or station mounted. Conveyor mounted is typically used the most. We will select a guard package to go around the cylinder portion of the lift and locate unit. And then lastly, if we know the height we'd like to come off of the belt, we can define that here. And we'll see how that works when we get over to the SOLIDWORKS side, but I'll just say that we want to lift 25mm off the belt. Once we've configured the basic information, we're ready to insert our device into our SOLIDWORKS model. We simply click the Create and Insert into SOLIDWORKS Model button, and it's going to ask you to pick an entity in the model where you want to place the device. Otherwise, it will drop it on the origin of the model for you. We can select OK. It quickly creates that model for us right inside the SOLIDWORKS environment. We make sure it's pre-oriented the way that we want it on the conveyor, and then we can hold down our Alt button, drag, and drop it right into the conveyor. It mates it right up for you. And then, if you want to look at it from the up position, we can do that too. We simply select the up position, and it puts it at 25mm above the belt. That is what we predefined earlier. We will put it back in the down position so we can see how the pallet mates up to it. We take a pallet, run it over top, hold down the Alt button, and it will mate the pallet right to the lift and locate unit for us. We can see exactly how it sits on the unit. When going back to the summary sheet, you can click on Count Parts in SOLIDWORKS, and this will ensure your model and summary sheet stay up to date. And of course, with Impact, all of our part numbers and pricing are 100% accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we conveyed how Impact can save you valuable time and allow you to customize with ease. Want some more information on Impact? Head to glideline.com/impact.